guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited to do my April favorites for you guys. I used to do favorites and fails on my beauty channel and I no longer film on that channel, so I figured I still like beauty, I just don't have as much time for it and as much passion for it as I once did. But I do definitely try a lot of different products because of work, because I am an entertainer. I need my makeup to last. Also, you guys know that I am a mommy, and so I need to make sure that I have really great cleaning products for my house as well. So I figured I would start sharing these again, and then I can also do my empties. So starting next month, I will start sharing empties, which I love to do because you can do a really thorough review since you've used it from start to finish. So let's jump right into my April faves. Okay, so we're gonna start with the beauty products, and the first product I have here is from Pantene. This is the Beautiful Lengths shampoo, and this is the 25-ounce bottle with a pump, which I absolutely love. This stuff smells amazing. It makes your hair extremely soft and it feels so clean. I am obsessed with this stuff. As you guys know, my hair is like, I mean, it is long hair, and so this stuff works absolutely amazing for me. The second product that I've been loving is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer. I use the number 1 shade. I accidentally bought the number 2, which is okay. It's not too bad since I'm getting a little color from being outside more. But I absolutely love this stuff. It's amazing. It really is up to par with high-end foundations. Take it from me, I've tried everything from super cheap Dollar Tree stuff to super high-end stuff for stage. And this stuff really is, to me, revolutionary. I feel like it covers everything. I had a bruise from a choker that I wore, like back here. And it was like some metal choker and it had some lines, and I mean I literally dabbed this on with a brush and you couldn't see anything. So this stuff is amazing. It's going to cover everything. You barely even need any concealer after that, and it's less than $10, so I definitely recommend this. Another beauty product that is on the cheap is from Wet n Wild. This is the Photo Focus eyeshadow primer. So I have been in the process of using up all the beauty products that I have because, like I said, I had a beauty channel and I would get sent a lot of stuff, and so I haven't really bought anything new until recent as I'm running out of things. And this is a really great eyeshadow primer. It really keeps everything in place. It doesn't get like tacky or anything. I really like this better than the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I mean, I feel like this is way better, and I think this was like less than $5, so I highly recommend. Keeping up with the Wet n Wild, I purchased a highlighting powder, and this just says Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. It looks like this in the packaging, and I believe this was on sale. You can see it looks like this. I'm actually wearing it today. I've really been enjoying this. It's soft, it's pigmented, it's really glowy. I feel like this is also up to par with the high-end product, and I will definitely try the other shades. I'm not in need of highlighters right now, but if I do need some more, I will definitely try some more. And last but not least for beauty is these nails that I am wearing. These are from Kiss Nails. They are press-on nails, and I know that back in the day press-on nails would get a really bad rap because they would fly off your fingers, but I have literally been wearing these for almost 2 weeks. They have not come off. They have not gotten damaged. It looks like I got my nails done. There's different designs. So these were, I believe, $8.99, and it came with 30 different nails, all different designs. And so I was really pleased to find out that they stay on this long because, like I said, I would get my nails done before, and that was like $25 a visit, so much per month. And now that I'm a music major, I am playing piano, which means I cannot have long nails. I have to have short nails for ease and comfort. And so super simple just to take these off, just soak them in acetone and pop them off. And so I can go from literally playing the piano to a gig with nice nails. So I was really excited about that. I definitely recommend checking them out. I've gotten so many compliments on these because it looks like I've gotten my nails done. On to the household products. I have also another top 5 here. And the first product I have here is from Mrs. Meyer's. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Geranium Scent Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. Now when I moved, I just cleared like all of my cleaning stuff. I sold a lot of it in my garage sales because I used to coupon quite a bit, and I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna have one of every cleaner. I don't need a whole bunch of stuff, and I wanted something that smelled good because I was out of my Scentsy counter clean and I needed to wait to get some more of that, and so I'm really enjoying this. My mom actually used it and was like, what is that stuff? It smells so good. And the rest of the products are going to be Scentsy because I am a Scentsy consultant, and obviously I'm obsessed with Scentsy, and the perk of being a consultant is I get products for my house for free, so why not? And so I am loving Scentsy Fresh in the scent Clean Breeze. This is a product that you can spray on fabrics like beds and couches and things like that to eliminate scent. This has a special enzyme that is going to actually break down and destroy the scent. It's not going to just cover it up. And this makes the entire room smell amazing. So I love this when I deep clean my house. I spray down my couches. I have a cat that likes to lay everywhere, so it's just nice to keep everything nice and fresh. And then, of course, I am obsessed with stuff for laundry, and I am loving our washer whiffs in the scent Jammy Time. So this has got like a lavender scent to it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And it's got a little scoop in there, and this is so concentrated, you don't need very much, and it's going to make your stuff smell amazing. I especially love to use this on bedding and towels, but I've been using it on all of my clothes lately, and it's just so good. I've been getting I'm stocking up on laundry stuff. The more rewards I'm getting, the more free stuff I'm getting for my laundry. And so for home fragrance, I am really loving the scent Kohika Hula. This is kind of like a scent that reminds me of orange and pineapple juice mixed together. It's just heavenly. I used up an entire Scentsy bar, so it's going to be better when I do my empties because you'll be able to see what I've been using in my home. Oh my god, but this has been my favorite for years. Every time spring and summer catalog comes out, I always get this and stock up. It's just so good. I ordered some more right now, like yesterday. And this is such a concentrated spray. You literally need like 2 or 3 sprays, and it smells for hours. So one of these little bottles are 2.7 fluid ounces will last me, I'm not even kidding, like 3 or 4 months in the restrooms and 3 or 4 months just around the house. So I highly recommend them if you've never tried them out. And then I just ordered another Scentsy diffuser, which I can show you guys in a future video if you're interested, because they're so freaking fabulous and gorgeous. And I am obsessed with essential oils right now, and I have the Marine Cypress Lavender scent, which I am obsessed with as of current. So this one smells so clean. It smells so fresh and just like beachy almost. And I love essential oils because when I cook, I live in a smaller apartment now. The scent can really permeate and kind of stick around. And when I put essential oils in my diffuser and just diffuse them, I find it cleans the air, and like within an hour, my house smells fresh and clean, and you don't smell any cooking smells anymore. So, and plus they're just really relaxing, and you can put some lavender in there and just chill out, or if you could put lemon in there and everything smells fresh and clean. I just really love essential oils, and I have a ton of them, but this is my pick for the month of April. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys love these kinds of videos, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any requests, leave them in the comment section down below, and I will see you in next month's favorites and also empties. I'll see you later. Bye.